Aging. It happens to all of us, whether we like it or not. Kara?
The good news is there are many non-surgical options now to help make the process of aging maybe a little more graceful.
Absolutely. Dr. Paul Stanislaw, one of my favorites, in his Avon office, they offer the brow lift that can brighten and lift your whole face.
Melissa Cole has more.
I noticed there was some changes to my face as you age a little bit, so I was looking to see what it was that could make me feel a little bit better about myself. And Dr. Stanislaw, being a facial plastic surgeon, it was an easy decision to come, meet with him and consult with him.
When Sheila Sullivan of Bristol consulted with Dr. Stanislaw last year, he suggested an in-office procedure that would reduce the puffiness under her eyes. She went ahead with it and is absolutely loving the results.
I was very impressed with the results. Nobody knew what I had done. You just knew I looked much more fresh and rested, and it was worth coming back and seeing him again. I'm looking to expand on that a little further. So that was the under eye, and now I'm looking to reduce the little bit of the sagginess on the upper lid. So I thought it'll be a full, eye rejuvenation.
Today, Sheila is learning more about her next procedure, a non-surgical brow lift, to not only rejuvenate her eyes, but to lessen the appearance of wrinkles on her forehead.
Traditionally, when we have someone who's got heavy eyebrows, what happens is as the skin loses elasticity, the skin stretches out, we have less volume in here. Gravity sets in and it sags this, it pulls this down. When it pulls it down, it makes it look like there's more eyelid skin, but it makes us look tired and heavy.
Initially, Sheila thought Botox was going to be the answer to help get rid of those forehead wrinkles. But Dr. Stanislaw says that will only make matters worse, making the eyes sag more, adding to that tired look.
So when we're stuck in a situation where we have heavy eyebrows and a lot of wrinkles up here, we have options. The first option is like traditionally surgery. So surgery would do brow lifts.
But if you're not looking to go under the knife like Sheila, then a non-surgical brow lift might be right for you.
There's the forehead muscles that are going up and down, and they're lifting the eyebrows up. And then there's the orbicularis oculi muscle, the muscle that wraps around the eye, and that muscle's pulling this down. Those two muscle groups are in tug of war all the time. This is trying to lift, and this is trying to pull down.
The goal is to weaken the muscles around the eyes with Dysport, a medicine like Botox, and add some filler to the forehead to smooth out and reinflate the wrinkles.
Are you ready?
I'm excited.
When I talk to people about a brow lift, it's a very, very subtle thing. It's not, you don't want someone to say, oh, look, you had a brow lift. It's basically, they're going to say, you look rested. Did you change your hairstyle? It's really just to make you look a little brighter, but not to look different.
As we age, we lose fat and bone density in our face. So this is a very common complaint Dr. Stanislaw sees in his office. He shows us the first step, the Dysport around the eyes. There is some swelling, which will go down in about 20 minutes. Next, some filler around the brow and into the forehead, which will help restore any hollowness or fat loss. The whole procedure is done right in the office within a couple of hours, and Sheila says it does not hurt.
Okay, so Sheila, so far, no pain.
Not at all. Not one bit.
Relaxing almost.
It really almost was for me, yes.
And so, doctor, what can she expect now?
Basically, there's going to be a couple little red dots just from where the cannula was placed, and she'll just put a little bit of triple antibiotic going on there for a day or two. Right now, you can see that it's a little lumpy bumpy just from the numbing medication, and it's whiter from the numbing medication. The whiteness will go away in about an hour.
Okay, and how long does it last for?
This location, about 18 months.
18 months. Yeah. So you're excited to see the results, right?
Yes.
All right, you'll have to send us some after pictures so we can see. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here is Sheila after her non-surgical brow lift, and she couldn't be happier with the results. After all, your eyes tell the story of your face.
Your eyes speak volumes, so having your eyes bright and cheerful and not drawn out and tired, I think it changes the whole appearance of your face, your eyes.
It's really amazing how these little things can go a long way in the appearance of some of these people.
And nice that there's so many new options where you don't have to go under the knife if you don't want to. So to learn more about the services that Dr. Stanislaw offers, you can go to his website, stanislawmd.com.